Hi all, welcome to my channel. Hope you are all doing great. This is for those who want to learn PowerShell. Now we'll go through PowerShell commands. Before going to PowerShell commands, we need to launch PowerShell. For that, go to search, type PowerShell and open it. I'm clicking on run as administrator. Click on yes. Now we're able to see PowerShell window. Our next command is get service. The get service command in PowerShell is used to retrieve information about services on current system. It allows to view the status, startup type, and other details of installed services in current system. The syntax to retrieve information about services is get service. Here you can see the command get-service. It will display all services which are in current system. Here for example, I have mentioned a few, and if you want to retrieve any specific service information also, we can do that. For that, we have to give the name or a display name. Syntax for that is to get any specific service information. Syntax is get-service name, and you have to give service name. Or if you are searching with the display name, syntax is get-service display name, and within double quotes you have to give the display name. Here instead of name you have to give display name, and we have to give a display name within quotes. If any of the service which matches with that display name, it will retrieve that information. We'll see the examples in a PowerShell as well in a few seconds. If you are unable to recall the complete name, we can also give wild characters. Here, if you see this example, I'm giving here get-service name, and within a quotes, I'm giving as a print asterisk symbol, star symbol. So it will search all the services for the starting name with a print, and it will retrieve those services information. See here we gave name so that it will check all the services which start with the print. So it is giving, it is started with the print. The services, this service started with the print. Second service also started with the print, so that it retrieved these two service information. If we come down here also we are searching with wild characters. Here we give display name so that it will check all the services which starts with the print. Here it started with the print. Second one also started with the print. Third one also started with the print, because we gave display name here. Here we gave display name. That is why it will check all the services with a display name search keywords. Now we'll see this in a PowerShell. The basic command to get all the services which are in current system is get-service. If you press enter, it will list down all the services which are in current system. If you go to top, you can see all the services which are there in a current system. Whether it is stopped or running, anything, it will show all services. And if you want to get any specific service, you have to give that service name. Syntax for that is get-service hyphen. Here you need to mention like how we are going to search, whether we are going to use name for search or we are going to use display name for search. So in the first, we will give name. We'll search for app info. So now once I press enter, it it will display the app info service information. If it is find any service with the name app info, we got the service. Similar way, I will search for one more service. To do that, get hyphen service. I'm searching with the name, service name. Here you have to give service name, which we need to search. We got the service. If you want to search with the display name also, we can do that. Get hyphen service hyphen display name. Within quotes, you have to give service display name. It will give that specific service information. Here it is showing print spooler is a display name, and the name for that service is spooler, and the status of the service is running. Sometimes if you didn't remember the complete name, then we can search that kind of services with the wildcard characters, such as get service hyphen display name print, and I'm giving wildcard character so that it will retrieve all the services which display name started with print. See, now we have got 3 services which display name starts with print. Similar way, we'll try differently. Get service hyphen display name. We'll see if there is any service which ends with the print word. There are no services. That's why it didn't give any result to us. So now we gave wild characters for the display name. Let's see how we can give wild characters for a name. Get services hyphen name. I'm giving print, and wild character I'm giving. So here what we are telling is we're asking to search a service which name starts with print word from the result of get services. Here we got 2 services which name starts with a print, and we'll see few more other examples. Get services select object, and we want to display name, display name, and status. And status. So this command will display all the services which are in current system in the format of name in the first, and the second column as a display name, and third column as a status. So if we go top, we can see we are displaying the services which are in current system in the format of name column in the first, display column in the second, status column in the third. If you want to add a start type, we can also do that. Start type means it's automatic or manual kind of information it will display. So if you go to top, you can see that. Here we requested for service information by giving the keyword command get-service in the format of name as a first, display name as a second column, status as a third one, start type as a last one, fourth one. So we ask to display 4 columns of information in a detailed manner. Similar way, if you want to get this complete information for any one of the service also, we can do that. To do that, we have to add a service name. So now we'll get the complete information of Spooler service in the form of name, display name, status, and start type. See here, displays name, display name, status, start type. Service name is Spooler, display name is print Spooler, status is running, start type is automatic. Similar way, if you want to see all the running services, we can do that. Get-service where object dollar underscore dot status hyphen equal to running. So here we're asking get all the service information where service status matches with running and display them. We'll see. So here if we go to top, it's displaying all the service. Sorry. If you see here, displaying all the services which are in running status. So if you want to get the services which are in stopped status also, we can go do that. So see here it is showing all the services which are in stopped status. Get service where object dollar underscore dot status. Dollar means it will get the result of a previous command or a current command result. It will take it as it dollar underscore. So it will consider the result of that command. From that, we're asking to check the status object or status column and comparing with the stopped word. So if any service status which match with the stopped, it will display all those services here. So for this we can add in proper we can display the information in proper way. For example, select object name, display name, status, start type. Here we're asking to display the services which status is in stopped, and we're asking them in a proper manner like name as a first column, display name and status and start type. So these are all stopped services and there is start type. Few of them it is showing manual, few of them it is showing automatic. So now we'll add one more condition here, hyphen and. So we'll see automatic. as a start type. Dollar underscore dot start type hyphen equal to let's see something error it's showing. Now we see we gave two conditions. One is we are looking for the services which are in stop status and their start type is automatic. See here, status it is showing as a stop and start type as automatic. So it is matched with our condition. So those services only displayed here. This is all about get service. Like this video and share your comments on the below. It will help me to make more videos on the subject. Thank you.